I was kicked out of the class for drawing phantom images over the evolution of man images in a science class. Years passed when I got my first job. A colleague of mine gifted me two comic books, and that was Phantom. Just by looking at the comic books, it just pulled me back to my childhood days. And it was more of a challenge. I started a chase, running for my own younger days. It was certainly Phantom, the superhero, which captivated me to the core of comic reading. We were able to relate with him since he did not have superpowers. Preserving comics is an important aspect in comic collection. The baseline is a comic book basically to be protected from dust and moisture. If these two aspects are taken care, at least 50 to 100 years shelf life you get for a comic book. You see, I might have around 17,000 comics, but number doesn't matter to me at all. Yeah, if you're asking me about the value of comics, definitely in a commercial sense, I don't really value a comic book in a monetary sense at all. For me, what it is attached to my, it's something personal. Some comics are very hard to find. Some comic book has contributed a lot to the history of Indian comics. Comics in India had a culture of its own in a particular era, a few decades back. Though it did not begin as a serious art or a propaganda material, it always meant for storytelling. The first 10 comic books in Amar Chitrakatha is foreign fairy tales been translated in regional language, Indian languages, and been published started publishing in 1967. I place it in the history of Indian comics. In fact, Vidyarthi Mitram, a popular publishing house in Kerala of that period, they were the first to bring out Tarzan in comic format in India, way back in early 70s. Phantom started appearing as a comic strip in 1952. And when it started appearing as a comic strip, that actually began a culture of reading a magazine from the last pages. There was a slow diminishing of readers of comic books towards cartoons or other visual medias. Very many publishers vanished from the scene, except for a few main players. There's a definite culture which has been slowly evolving into a different scenario. There is a serious level of art form which has started evolving in comic books. Very many new publishers started venturing into comics with a serious thought, unlike the earlier decade. I, as a collector or a traditionalist, I prefer to open up an old comic book rather than a new comic book. But definitely there are serious level comics today appearing in the market.